In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft Power Apps on your Android smartphone as a SyncAll app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get Power Apps is pretty simple. Just go to Google Play Store on your Android smartphone, and then using your search icon here or using this search icon, you can just go ahead and type in Power Apps just like that, and then search for it. Now you can see we have here the app Power Apps, and it is from Microsoft Corporation. Now at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.8 with over 41,000 reviews, and currently it has over 5 million downloads. To get this, now go ahead and tap on install, and you have to note that the average file size of this app is 75 MB. So I'll proceed and download these Power Apps on my Android smartphone, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Power Apps and then install it on my smartphone. Once it has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open here, or if you go back and look for your apps, you should be able to see Power Apps. So if you go ahead and open it, you can now go ahead and sign in with your account or create a new account to start using it. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.